Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I have a luxury handbag review for you. This here is the Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. Alright, so before I get in and show you the ins and outs of this handbag, I wanted to let you know that today's video is in collaboration with my dear friend Nicole, who is Hello Happy Mom here on YouTube and everywhere. Her and I actually both have this handbag. We've wanted it for quite some time. It's been a while that we've both been like really researching, diving into reviews, and picking out the style handbag that we really wanted from Louis Vuitton, and we just happened to both want the same style. So once we both purchased it, we decided that we thought it would be fun to collaborate on today's video. Now she has this same Pochette Metis, but she has it in a beautiful leather gray color. And surprisingly, there's a good couple of differences that you'll find between this monogrammed coated canvas and her leather version. So when you're done watching today's video, if you want to see how she packs up this bag and what some of those differences are, head on over there because her bag is absolutely stunning. All right, so like I just mentioned, I have wanted this particular style from Louis Vuitton for years. It has been a style that I always am drawn to. Every time I see it pop up somewhere or somebody wearing it out, I have been longing for this particular style. This is my first real luxury handbag. I do have an older style Louis Vuitton Speedy that's been in my collection for years. I've never shared it here on my YouTube channel. If it's something you guys want to see, I can kind of pull it out and share it. But I do have that one as well. But this style here is one that, like I said, I've wanted for a really long time. I was going back and forth. I wasn't sure if I wanted the leather version, if I wanted this classic monogrammed style, or if I wanted the version of this that actually has the two-tone. One is like a darker brown with the lighter brown color. I'll input a picture here. So I did so much research. I must have watched 1 million YouTube videos on different ways to pack it up, the pros and the cons of this bag, some of the issues that have been brought up with this bag in the past. And after all my research, I decided that this was the one that I really wanted to go with. Once I decided that I wanted this bag, of course, it was so hard to find. It was so hard. It was out of stock. You can't really, when you're calling Louis Vuitton stores, which I never really knew because I don't typically buy handbags like this often, obviously, but I realized quickly that you can't really call the stores directly unless you have a sales associate that you work, I guess, one-on-one with or that you've bought from in the past. So it's kind of hard to check out availability in the stores, and this style is never available online. I must have looked every single day for months and months and months, and I never saw it available. I was very close to pulling the trigger on the navy with red trimmed Pochette Metis because I do think that one is beautiful, and I think it would have been so fun for like spring and summer months, but this was the one that I really, really wanted. So one day I actually saw it pop up online, and that's when I grabbed it. So I did buy it directly from Louis Vuitton online, and I was stoked when I saw it pop up. All right, so enough chatting. Let's get on into this bag and let me show you some of the features. Looking down here at the top of the bag, you'll see that you have a leather handle. It's one of the ways that you can actually carry this bag. It pulls up just a little bit there, and it does have Louis Vuitton kind of etched on that top leather there. The other ways that you can carry this bag is by the strap here on the side. It is removable, so if you didn't want it hanging off the bag, you could definitely detach it. As you can see here, the strap is easily adjustable, and you have the gold holes here that you can move your strap to make it shorter or longer if you want to wear it over your shoulder or crossbody. One of the things I loved about the monogram canvas is that you can see the Louis Vuitton print here on the strap, and you kind of have the accents of the gold here. That's something that's a little bit different with the leather versions. The front clasp here is hotly debated when it comes to this particular style from Louis Vuitton because it is all like a shiny gold here, and it opens like such. So when you're closing this clasp, a lot of times this front kind of gold plated area will get scratched up. You can see on mine, just having it a few short weeks here is already showing a little bit of wear, but I think that's just something that you have to know is going to come with this style. Opening up the main flap here of the bag, you can see looking down inside, you have two main sections that are about the same size, and then you actually have a third section back here in the back of the bag, kind of for smaller type items. The lining is a soft suede type material, which is another difference that I believe in the leather version of this bag. I'm not sure what exactly that material is on the inside of that one, but I know it is different from this one here. Moving around to the back of the bag here, you'll see that you have one external zipper pocket that I absolutely love. It's the perfect size for my cell phone. It's the side that lays close to my body, so I know it's nice and secure, and the zipper is nice and strong. I think it's a really great feature to have this pocket on the back of the bag. The zipper pull back here is just the regular gold kind of Louis Vuitton etched in there on the pull. I believe in the leather one, you have a little bit of a leather pull, which is something that's a little bit different, but I love the look of this. I've seen a lot of reviews a lot on YouTube on different ways that you can pack up this bag, and a couple of people actually mentioned that it's a great kind of large size handbag option or a great carry on to an airplane bag or something of that nature. To me, this bag actually doesn't hold quite as much as I thought it was going to, which was okay because this bag is a handbag just for me to carry. I don't plan on putting things for my kids inside of here. I don't have babies anymore or anything like that, but it's definitely not a large handbag in my opinion. It's a smaller to maybe on the medium size, but this would be just for essentials for me. But I like to carry a lot. You guys know that I kind of pack a lot on the majority of days. So I just wanted to kind of note that because sometimes some of the reviews I was watching can be a little bit deceiving as to how much this can actually hold. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack it up now like the way I've been carrying it, how I pack my items inside so you can really see what this bag holds and a way that you can pack it up. All right, so this is what the bag looks like fully packed in my opinion. I definitely have something in each one of the pockets, and even with packing it to the max, I don't think it bulks out super full. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a picture here of me wearing the bag packed just like this so that you guys can see kind of how it lays on the body. It definitely wears really well no matter if you have a bunch of things in it or if you just have a couple of items in there. So that's what it looks like here on the side. Now on the back of the bag, the only thing that I keep in this exterior pocket back here is my cell phone. I think it is the perfect pocket for that, especially if I'm wearing a dress or something that I don't have pockets in. This is a great place to put it. I have a iPhone 13 Max, so it is the larger of the two iPhones just for size reference, and that fits down in that pocket with absolutely no problems at all. Typically when I have it in there, I don't even zip the back because I'm constantly kind of taking it in and out, but as you can see, it fit inside of there. No problem, the zipper is nice and tight and secure. Moving on into the inside here of the bag, it just opens up like this, and you can see those different compartments that I was showing you earlier. Back here in this back tighter pocket, I just have a package of tissues kind of vertically in there, and then I also have a pack of gum. I could easily fit more. I had a small thing of like hand wipes back here at one point, but yeah, it's just a nice thin pocket. And it does open up a little bit wide. So, I mean, you could put a good bit in that pocket. I tend not to overstuff that one though. Now here in the middle, which is kind of the largest of the pockets, if you will, it's like the main one here. You do have the little leather Louis Vuitton logo right here. And the only thing I have inside there is a pouch from Mina Bay. This is a 3-piece pouch set, and this is the medium size. I have a lot of pouches, as you guys know, and I played with a lot of different ones inside this bag, and for some reason this nylon one just fit in there perfectly. So I liked to be able to put all of my small things in here and not just kind of throw them in the center of the bag. I didn't want anything leaking, of course, in this bag, like lotions or lipsticks or a pen. So I have literally everything inside this pouch. I even have my earbuds down in there. I have a pen, I have lotions, I have medicine, I have hair things. There is a lot down in here. So this is just all of my small things that I would need while I'm out. I thought I would show also what it looks like with this pouch unzipped inside this middle part. You do have a little bit more room here on the side and actually in the front of the back if you really wanted to put something else in there with some sort of pouch, but I was keeping it just unzipped like this for a majority of the time also, just so I can grab everything really easy. But I mean, obviously you could have it zipped or unzipped. Looking down in this front pocket here, as you can see, I have my wallet, my keys, and some hand sanitizer. Nicole actually has packed in hers, I believe she has the wallet, so I'm sure she probably has it packed inside, but she has the Recto Verso, I believe it's called, wallet from Louis Vuitton, and it is perfection. It's on my wish list. It's probably gonna be the next thing that I purchase, like luxury handbag wise. It is such a beautiful wallet, and I can't wait to watch her video to see how it fits inside, but it is the perfect little small kind of card case type wallet. It's for sure one that I want to purchase. But what I have tucked down in here is just my MZ Wallace key pouch, I believe it's called, on the website. It's in their rose gold color, and I just have my car key here attached to the side of it. And then inside this small little wallet, it just has a place for your cards kind of tucked down in there, and then I put cash up here. So it's just a small little wallet that can easily slip down in the front there. Last but not least, just right here tucked by my wallet and my keys, is I have a large MZ Wallace link pouch. This is in that same rose gold that matches my wallet. And inside here, I just have a Touchland hand sanitizer. Again, I usually will put it in these link pouches, especially if I want to attach it to the outside of my bag or grab for it easily. So it's just really the perfect fit, and this way I know it's not going to leak in my bag. That is everything that I had packed inside. Like I said, it's just for me, small essentials that I would need while I'm out. I love the way this packs up. I love the way it organizes. I think it could easily hold a small planner if you needed it to. It's just a really functional, beautiful handbag. Alright, I think that does it for today's video. I hope it was helpful for those of you that are considering purchasing this Louis Vuitton Pochette Metis. If you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to check out Nicole's video, who has this same bag in the leather version. You can see those differences and how she has hers all packed up. Until my next video, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.